Hey, Chris Ferdinandi here with another Vanilla.js quick tip. Let's get into it. Inside a for of, or for in loop, you can use continue to skip to the next item in the loop and stop whatever else comes in that block from running. So in this example here, I am looping through an array of sandwiches. And if the sandwich is ham, I'm going to continue and just skip to the next item. Otherwise, I'm going to log the sandwich into the console. And so when I come to ham here, this is not going to run because I've called continue. Otherwise, it will. So if I jump over to the browser, you can see that turkey, tuna, and PB&J all log in the console, but ham does not. Similarly, if you want to end the loop altogether, you can use the break operator. And so here I have an object that I'm looping through. And if the key equals drink, I want to stop the rest of this loop from happening. And let me go ahead and comment this out just to avoid cluttering the console. And so what should happen is we should log ham and chips, our sandwich and our drink, and I'm sorry, our sandwich and our snack. And then when we get to the drink property, nothing else should happen because we're going to break, and that's going to end the loop. If I jump back over and reload, you can see that's exactly what happens. Ham and chips log, and then nothing else happens. And just like continue, the break operator works in for of, and for in loops. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe even share it with someone else who you think might enjoy it. You can also get my daily developer tips newsletter over at gomakethings.com, where every weekday I share a new tip, trick, tool, or Vanilla.js snippet to help you build a simpler and more resilient web. Thanks so much for watching.